Hi, I'm David Godfrey and I like to do photographic landscapes and bird photography in particular, but general wildlife. The themes tend to be wildlife and in their natural state. However, I do practice with birds in captivity because they're a little bit more easy to control. But what I've noticed is you suddenly become aware that they're in a captive situation and they're a bit bored with their life. A lot of the landscapes I've done, I try to get colour into the shot so that that then can be something people can select with their own colour palette that they may have in where they'd like to display the images. Gotham Studios is great for me because it's an opportunity to work with other like-minded people and to have an outlet to display my images so that people can see what I've been up to. Hi, I'm David Godfrey and I'm exhibiting with the Gotham Studios Collective at stand H7.